Changing your primary email on Great Southern Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Great Southern Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences with contact information. Click on this to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Great Southern Bank will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.